Pinakilala na ni Vivo ang S18 series at una nating pag-uusapan ay si Vivo S18 Pro. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, tingnan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron itong 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1260 by 2800 pixel resolution, may 120Hz refresh rate, at may 2800 nits peak brightness. Ang Vivo S18 Pro ay may operating system na Origin OS 4 based on Android 14 with MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus 4nm chipset na may Immortalis G715 MC11 na GPU. Ang phone na to ay may 12 or 16GB of RAM with 256 or 512 UFS 3.1 storage at hindi siya expandable. Ang Vivo S18 Pro ay may triple rear camera setup with 50MP Sony IMX920 main camera with OIS plus 50MP ultra-wide camera plus 12MP telephoto camera with ring LED flash, HDR, and panorama with up to 4K at 30fps video recording. At meron siyang 50MP selfie camera with dual LED flash and HDR at kaya mag-record ng video up to 4K at 30fps. Dito naman tayo sa battery niya. Meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 80W fast charging at meron din siyang reverse wide charging. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45mm at may timbang na 188 grams. Sa kanyang build quality, meron siyang glass front and plastic frame with IP54 dust and splash resistant. Para naman sa security ng phone na to, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner at face unlock. Meron nga pala itong loudspeaker at flagship level cooling system. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, and Navic, NFC, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Vivo S18 Pro ay around 25,200 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!